Hi guys, it's Ray here. I'm back again. Unfortunately, there were some technical glitches, but it's all solved and we're going to get back into it. So, as we were talking before, we'll be talking about what a PWA is. So, PWA, or Progressive Web Application, it is like the combination of a website and a mobile app. So it's got all the benefits of a website with the ease of navigation, just like a mobile app. And so Recipe Blog has its own PWA, and if you guys use it, it's absolutely amazing, and we really suggest that you get it on your phone. It takes so little space, just hardly a few seconds to get on your phone. So it's almost like bookmarking your web page. So today I'm going to show you how to do it and how you can get it on your phone. So stay tuned. The first thing you need to do is take your phone, go to your browser and type in recipeblog.io. So on my phone, I'm using Chrome. Go to Chrome and I'm going to be typing recipeblog.io. You can see the first option that comes up there. It'll take us to the home screen. Okay, and here we are on the home screen of Recipe Blog. So if you see, once you get the home screen on your phone, you'll have a little pop-up, which will be our PWA that just came right now. So Recipe Blog, and you can see this is the PWA, and if you click on the add button in the corner there, it'll automatically appear on the home screen of your phone. So I'm just going to click on the add button, and it says add in recipeblog.io. All done. Just a few seconds. So you can go back to your home page of your phone, just scroll down, and right next to our app, you will find a Recipe Blog, and that is our PWA, our Progressive Web App. So it behaves like a website, but it looks like a website, but behaves like a mobile app. It doesn't take any space on your phone. It's super easy to use, so much better than opening up Recipe Blog on your web browser. So I really suggest you get this on your phone. It's just so super easy. So I'm going to click on it, and there we are. See, it's opening up. And there we are on the website. It looks like the website, but it's behaving just like an app. You can scroll down. It's just so easy to navigate. It doesn't get stuck at all. So you can see on the top right-hand corner, you'll see sign in. So I'm going to sign in. So one thing you guys need to remember is that if you have signed in with Facebook on the Recipe Book app, then you should do the same on Recipe Blog. And if you've signed in with Google on Recipe Book app, then you should do the same thing on the blog. So I've signed in everywhere with Google, so I'm going to do the same here. Sign in to Google. It's taking a bit of time, and there we are. So I'm back on. And one of the interesting things is that if you go to the menu option on the top, right? So I click on menu, can you guys see? And then you will see contest, right? So click on that option. And so contest will show you all the different contests, the live contests that are going on in Recipe Blog. And essentially, if you join or add any of your recipes to our contest, you can stand a chance to win amazing prizes. So don't miss out on this opportunity. So as you can see, I clicked on contest, and the two live contests that is happening right now on Recipe Blog is Chocolate Case Diary and Lunch Marathon. So Chocolate Case Diary and Lunch Marathon are the two most awaited contests, so do join in. I'm a huge chocolate lover, so I'm going to enter my recipe on Chocolate Case Diary. So if I just click on that, and you see it'll take us to a page like this where it'll say join contest. I hope you guys can see, right? So join contest. Once I click on that, I'll get two options, either to add a new recipe or to choose a recipe that I already have in my profile. I've got a lot of chocolate recipes with me. I'm just going to choose a recipe from my profile, and hopefully I win. And at the same time, you do that, you can. All right, sorry for that. So one of the most asked questions is whether or not you can use cocoa powder. So if I'm making a chocolate cake, it's not necessary for me to use completely, raw chocolate. You can also use cocoa powder if you want. And if you see, the second contest that we have is lunch marathon. So if I click on lunch marathon, I get the same option, whether to choose to add a new lunch recipe or to choose from my profile. And the thing with lunch recipes is that you can add any recipe you like. So it can be a kids lunch recipe, or it could be a healthy lunch recipe, or a good chicken lunch recipe, anything that you like. It's all up to you. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's session and that you understood what a PWA is. Be sure to use it because it's super easy, so much more fun than opening up RecipeBlog on your web browser. So until next time, and I hope to see you guys in the contest. So all the best, good luck, and until next time. Bye guys.